when we talk about fresh out, when we talk about citrus, when we talk about airy, aquatic, that's gonna be her, okay? So good. Hello friendos, and welcome to my channel. I am Beedee, and if this is your first time here, hey girl, you look cute. And if you are a returning viewer, a subscriber to the Beedee Presents channel, what's a goodie? You know I had to come and see what's good with you. I had to come and see what the vibes are. So like, what's the vibe? How's your week been? How's your last week been? Really? Well, that's amazing. You know you're doing your thing, and I'm so happy to see it. But you said some stuff came up. Okay. You know what? I understand. It's a lot happening right now. But I want you to know 1 Corinthians 10:13, okay? God has not given us more than what is common to man, okay? The temptation won't be too much for you to bear, or whatever is currently giving you a little bit of a flux. It's not too much, okay? I'm paraphrasing here, but definitely look up the scripture. Know that God will make a way for your escape. And whatever you have been through, this is not to take away from it. It's just to tell you that if someone else has been able to endure, you also can, because God has created you, crafted you, and is looking after you. So don't be discouraged. Keep going. And it's going to be okay, because you know what I say, we pray, we give it to God, and we keep pushing through. Now you see what happens when you are a subscriber to the Beedee Presents channel. You get a bit of an elevated, a little intimate, enhanced greeting. And I want that for all of y'all, but you got to hit the button. You know what I mean? You got to hit the little red button, and when you hit the button, it just lets you know if I do something on the chan. You know what I mean? Maybe post something on a community post, you know, just to see, you know, what's going on in between timesies. So I would love to have you, so please feel free to subscribe. But yes, now that we got all of that out of the way, chillo friendos. It is springtime, and we love us some combinations. We love us some layering, okay? It's been about a year since I posted my spring or fresh scent combo videos, you know what I mean? And if you found my channel because of that video, I know you're like, when are you gonna do more of that, ma'am? Because I came here for that, and you know, I haven't seen it. So fear not, okay? I am back this year with a new set of fresh scent combinations, okay? Fresh scent combos for spring, because really that's my bag. I love a fresh scent, okay? And I even did my hair up exactly like it was, or at least very closely to it was in the last video, for continuity's sake. You know what I mean? So yes, today I'm here with two very like accessible scent combinations that you can get right into if you are a person that loves a fresh, I am crispy clean type of vibe. Then I got what you need right here. For this particular video, I'm going to be focusing on fresh scents that are aquatic and citrusy. That is, I think, ultimately my favorite, but I also love a little bit of the outdoorsy, woodsy fresh too. And we're gonna do a scent combo video about that as well, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. So the first scent that I want to talk about is Gingham. This is the original Gingham from Miss Bath and Body Works, okay? It's their signature pattern for their brand, the blue and white plaid that we see on their aprons and throughout the stores, on bags, everywhere, right? That's Gingham, but they had a signature scent, Gingham, and they launched it a few years ago, and it got like the full shebang. So candles, there's an actual perfume, but of course you have your body mist, you have your shower gel, you have moisturizing body wash, you have, you know, the plug-ins, you have the whole nine. I tried it when it first came out, and I was like, wow. Okay, I tried it when it came out, loved it, and I was like, you know what, I need to revisit that this year, because they launched a bunch of new Gingham flankers florals, and I did do a video about that, so this is the thumbnail. If you haven't checked that video out, be sure to do so at your leisure later on. But yes, today we're talking about the OG, okay? And that is Gingham. I actually went ahead and picked up new everything because they did relaunch with refreshed packaging. So this is the shower gel. It is in the faceted collection, which I really do love this packaging. I think it's super cute, and I really do like the crystal clear kind of vibe that they got going on with the body wash. I love that. And then I picked up a brand new fine fragrance mist, also in the faceted packaging, which I love. So you're probably like, okay girl, now we see that you love it and all that, but why is it in this video? Like, what's the vibe? So I'm going to give you the notes so we can get right into the vibes. The notes are blue freesia, white peach, fresh clementine, violet, and clean musk. Okay, when we talk about fresh out, when we talk about citrus, when we talk about airy, aquatic, that's going to be her. Okay, and it's not even super aquatic with this particular one. It's more fresh air, clean musk, and it's floral, but it's not your florals like the florals with the other Gingham scents that came out this year. This one is just like a fresh floral. And there's a little peach note in there. We got some clementine. I'm going to go ahead and spray in the cap. So good. This is so good. It's fresh. And it's not fresh like Gingham Fresh, which is one of the new scents they have out. I'm going to talk about that in a different video. I did talk about it in the video I mentioned, but separately we can talk about the category. This one falls into that fresh air citrus vibe. Oh, it's so clean. It's so clean. And for the layering, for me, I always have to start from the bottom up, okay? So from the base layer, I'm going to always do my scent of choice is going to be the White Bar from Dove, which is just in the blue and white packaging. Cleanest, freshest of scents. So I'm going to start there with my first wash. That's the real wash. That's the getting down to the nitty gritty, okay? I'm going to start there. I'm sorry, I can't even stop stirring. After the White Bar, I'm going to go ahead and get into my shower gel. Gotta have the shower gel. Layering is key, and this is how we keep those scents long lasting, okay? It's a little bit more, you get the peach over here, but you still get that crisp cleanness. So you're gonna go ahead and boom with the shower gel. Once you come out, now you need to moisturize, the moisturization, okay? I'm a body cream girl, but in the spring, summer, I do like to do lotion because it's a little bit lighter, but because it's still cold here, I went ahead and got the body cream. You're gonna go ahead and body cream it down, okay? I'm gonna put a little bit on, just because I love it so much. Oh, and I like the new formulation, okay? With the hyaluronic acid that they are doing over there with the Bath and Body, love that. So good, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Then, to really bust it down even further, you gotta go ahead with your body mist, okay? And you gotta spray. Spray down your body. If you don't have like any sensitive skin and this won't irritate you, go ahead, spray down, okay? Then you're gonna go ahead and get dressed, ma'am. Then once you're dressed, you're gonna spray down again, because guess what? It's gonna last a lot longer in the fibers of your clothes than it is on the skin. So you want to go ahead and hit that spray, and then repeat, okay? It's not going to do too much, I promise you. Then to really seal the deal, I'm going to go in with one of my favorite fragrances. This is Ocean de Gioia. I'm gonna mess that up, and that's okay, all right? But I'll put the correct name and spelling and all that on the screen. But this is Ocean by Giorgio Armani. I love this one. Okay, let me tell you the notes for this fragrance. So the notes from ma'am are sparkling pear, water jasmine, sandalwood, and musk, okay? It's categorized as a jasmine perfume, a citrus scent, a fresh fragrance, and it is. To me, it complements the fruitiness here with Gingham so well. It's a bit more fresh and musk here, but I love it. Some might even say it's kind of like a unisex scent, but I do love this one. I think it pairs excellently with Gingham. So that is the first layering combo that I want to talk about. You want to go ahead with your Gingham, and then you want to seal the deal with Ocean. I love this Ocean. As you can see, I've been using her down. I was keeping a little bit though, because I want to go ahead and get into this combination. So I can't wait. Definitely excited about that one. And then we're going to talk about like my favorite one. I've been wearing this one, honestly, all year round. Winter, fall, spring, it never fails to give me compliments. Like, it's always like, you smell amazing. What you got on? And it's crazy because I didn't try this combo until about a year ago. And I had seen the bodycare stuff for years, but I was just like, you know what I mean? But then I was like, let's see what the vibe is. And the vibe is immaculate, okay? And what I'm talking about is Cool and Bright from Victoria's Secret's Pink line. Sleeper hit, okay? Or I didn't know the vibes, but it is so good. This is one of the core scents for Pink. This is GOAT level fragrance staple. As you can see, my fine fragrance mist is like, I never ever get to this level with fine fragrance mist, but this is just a testament to how good this is and how much I love it. The notes are chili pear, white orchid, and zesty orange. The only sad part is that unfortunately Pink does not have a shower gel to go with, which is a bummer, but that's okay. You don't even miss it. I just go in with the gentle exfoliating gum bar soap. I love that one. I go in with that as my base, hop out, and then I go in with the lotion. This is a lotion. It's not a body cream, but it is moisturizing to me. I really do love it. The smell of it, this is my second bottle of it because I go through lotions and creams pretty fast, but it's incredible. Let me just... It's like a softness here with the freshness, but you still get that zip of citrus, which is like, it wakes you up a little bit, and it just smells so clean, so fresh, and it's different from Gingham. So I go in with my lotion after the shower, and then I spray down. As you can see, I spray me, then my clothes with the fine fragrance mist. It's like, it's quick to cinch. I don't know what to say. Like, this is what I think of when I see any brand talking about fresh or clean scent. This is actually what I mean when I think of fresh and clean, is this scent. The pear is nice and mild. You pick it up immediately. You do. The orange is not overpowering. It's taking almost like a little bit of a backseat in the citrus department compared to Gingham. And then the white orchid, that floral note just brings everything together, but it's not overly floral like Gingham Gorgeous or Vibrant or even Fresh. All of those to me are like very heavy florals. This is super light, but the scent itself is not. I love this. Now, to lock this in, what I like to go in with is the Acqua from Giorgio Armani. This is maybe like my third bottle of this. As you can see, I'm almost out. And this is actually an old bottle. You can tell by the cap. The caps are different now. They look like this, but I love this. I would say if you want to know like what does beedee smell like on a regular basis in the spring, it's gonna be this. This is like my go-to because I love a good fresh clean scent. So the notes for the Acqua fragrance are jasmine, gardenia, and warm woods. Very fresh and so money. Okay, when I smell this, it's put together. The bank account is bank accounting. All right, and it's not even, these are accessible perfumes. They're not even really like expensive like some of the really niche market fragrances, and that's why I love Giorgio Armani fragrances. They are accessible, but they are quality and they smell amazing. Both Ocean and Aqua are in the fresh aquatic category, so I love that. That is my bag. And as I mentioned, these are not, overly expensive, and you can always count on a sale. Right now actually is a great time. The spring is, like, to me, the best time to start buying perfumes. If you need to restock, if you want to try something new, because we have Mother's Day on the horizon, so that means a lot of stores are offering promotions. Sephora just ended their like 15, 20, 10% off sale for the first half of the year, and also currently Macy's is doing 15% off all beauty, which includes fragrances, so you can check them out. I believe the Giorgio Armani fragrances are on sale right now for 15% off, so definitely be sure to check out Macy's. And also Nordstrom is price matching, so if you are part of like Nordy Club and you want to go ahead and get your points, go ahead and purchase your fragrances over there. Get your points, get your percentages off, okay? And as we get closer to Mother's Day, individual brands and houses, fragrance houses, will be offering discounts. So be sure to check like the Giorgio Armani website. If you like Nest fragrances, check their website. If you like Skylar, check their website. Check Lancome, check YSL. Just check around, because they will be offering promotions too, and they could range from like 15% off to 30% off. You know what I mean? More bang for your buck. But yes, I love to pair Cool and Bright with the Aqua. It's just the cleanest, freshest of scents, okay? But the fun part is you can go ahead and mix and match. So some days I might want to give them Ocean with Cool and Bright, and go ahead and give Aqua the Gingham treatment, and it's all gonna smell good and fabulous and amazing, okay? For starters, I'm gonna go ahead and spray the Gingham Fine Fragrance Mist on this arm, my left arm. So good. And I'm gonna go ahead and spray on top of that I'm gonna go with Ocean, because that's the combination. So I'm gonna go ahead with Ocean first. Yeah, yeah. This is the one when you're going out for the going out. You know what I mean? This is the nighttime version. So yeah, we're gonna do the Gingham with the Ocean nighttime, okay? Daytime vibe, we're gonna go ahead and switch gears with Cool and Bright. So I'm gonna spray that on my right arm, and then I'm gonna go in, once this dries down a bit, with the Aqua fragrance. You smell like what rays of sunshine smell like, with fresh, the grass is cut, the greenery is out, the leaves are on the trees now, the sky is super blue, you hear the birds chirping. That's what this smells like. Definitely check out the Gingham with the Ocean, and then when you really want to do it to them, you might want to go ahead and give them that Aqua with the Cool and Bright, okay? Love those two, and as I said, you can mix and match, okay? You can go ahead and do the one with the other, or you could just, you might want to give them both. You know what I mean? The possibilities are endless. So yes, those are my combinations. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making this video. I love this category. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you are a fan of any of these fragrances already. What is your favorite fresh combination? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see the woodsy, outdoorsy kind of version of fresh, definitely give this video a thumbs up, because that'll let me know this should be a series. I can keep it going, you know what I mean? And feel free to peruse the channel, see any other videos that you might like. And if you do, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you. So next time you get the elevated greeting, you know what I mean? Go one-on-one time, me and you. But yes, thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. God bless you. Bye.